Hello everybody, welcome. Today is the conversion day. This video is about conversion of units. Most of the time we convert PSI to MPa. We're gonna do number one, the PSI to MPa. The PSI is pounds per square inch, and N is Newton. LBS is pounds, abbreviation of pounds. Mega means million, and the Pascal is 1 Newton per square meter. MPa is 1 million newtons per square meter. Kilonewton is Kn, and 1 kilonewton is 1000 newtons. The converting PSI to MPa equivalent values needed are: number one is pound. 1 pound has 4.448 newtons, and 1 meter has 39.37 inches. 1 MPa is 1 million newtons per square meter. So we have an example here. Convert 5000 psi to MPa. First, we gotta draw this square meter equal to the equivalent of inches square. So we gotta draw 1 square meter here, 1 there and 1 there. That's 1 square meter. And then we gotta draw again the equivalent of 1 meter is 39.37 inches. You draw a square, 39.37 inches. You square that. The equivalent of that is equal to the 1 meter, 1 square meter. So if you square that, you get the 39.37 inch times 39.37 inches. As well, you get 1549.9969 square inches. Okay, this is the equivalent now of 1 meter. 1 square meter is equal to 1549.9969 square inches. So that's what we're going to use here. So 5000 psi is 5000 pounds per square inch. That's psi. And in 1 pound there are 4.448 newtons. Now times the equivalent of 1 square meter. Equivalent that in inches is 1549.9969 square inches, and you multiply all the remaining values there. 5000 times 4.448 times 1549.9969 gives you 34,471,931 newtons per square meter. Now square inch cancel, pounds here cancel as well, so you have a square meter and these values there in newton. Alright, so 34,471,931 newton per square meter. Now to change that to MPa, you have to divide it by, in 1 MPa there are 1 million newtons per square meter. So you divide this by 1 million newton per square meter. That's MPa. And when you divide a fractional numerator by the fractional denominator, you have to multiply the numerator by the inverted denominator. So the square meter is there now, and 1 million is below the square meter. We inverted this, and multiply this to the numerator. Okay, that's the of rules of division and fractional members of the equation. So 34,471,931 divided by 1,000,000, it gives you 34.37, and that's the MPA now. Alright, so therefore 5,000 psi is equal to 34.47 MPa. Alright, that's the MPa, psi to MPa. Now we have another one here. Pounds per square foot, 2 kilonewton per square meter. So L.s.f is pounds per square foot. Again, you have to draw the equivalent of 1 meter square equal to a foot square. In 1 meter there are 3.281 feet, and you draw a square there and then put the dimension there. You square this. The square footage of this is equivalent to, you multiply that side there by this side here, the square footage of this area here is equal to this square meter area. So 1 meter times 1 meter equals to 1 square meter. Now the equivalent of that is 3.281 feet times 3.81 feet. It gives you 10.765 square feet. That's the equivalent of 1 square meter. Alright, so now you gotta use that to convert the pounds per square foot to kilonewton per square meter. So we have an example here, 100 pounds. We use 100 pounds per, this is normal. This is the most commonly used live loads. 100 pounds per square foot. Now 100 pounds per square foot, there are again 4.448 Newton per 1 pound. Alright, so pounds here is cancelled, becomes Newton now, and there are 10.765 square foot per square meter. So now you have cancelled the square foot cancel, pounds cancel, all you have is Newton per square meter. So multiply all the remaining values there, it gives you 4,788.272 Newton per square meter. In 1 kilonewton there are 1,000 newtons. So Newton there per square meter, 1 kilonewton has 1,000 newtons. So therefore you divide this by 1,000. In dividing a number with 1,000, you have to move the decimal point 3 places from the right to the left. So 1, 2, 3 is 4.788. You round it up to 4.8 kilonewton per square meter. So therefore the 100 pounds actually per square foot, right, is equal to 4.8 kilonewton per square meter. That's pretty easy. Okay, now here's the additional tabulations of values. This is what we calculated, 5,000 psi. This is the values, the metric in kilogram per square centimeter. And this one here is the Newton per square meter, the MPa, and this is the psi, the concrete compression, concrete stress right here. FC is concrete, and these are the equivalents here in MPa. So 4,000 is 27.58, 3,000 is 20.68 MPa. This is the smallest one, 2,500, 17.24 MPa, and this is steel. This is the normal steel there, and this is the yield point steel. This is high strength. This is the yielding strength of the steel from minimum 40 to 60,000 psi. This is psi here, and kilogram right here, and the Newton per square meter right there. And the values for steel, the modulus of elasticity of steel is 29 million for psi, and then 2,039,000 for kilogram, and this is for as 200 MPa for the metric. That's the equivalent, the values for the modulus of elasticity for steel. Alright, so that's the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this thing will help. It helps me a lot. It's I to MPA all the time. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye.